Starting with the same initial condition, an ideal gas expands from volume V1 to V2 in 3 different ways. The work done by the gas is W1 if the process is purely isothermal, W2 if the process is purely isobaric, and W3 if it is purely adiabatic. Then, okay. So we have here 3 different graphs. Isobaric is for this one, isothermal is for this one, adiabatic is for this one. How do we calculate work when a PV curve is given? Area under PV curve is equal to the work done. Right? So we can basically see, if you keep it in different colors, W3 is this area, right? W1 is this area, and W2 is this area under the PV curves. So from there, directly we can say that W2 is the highest, after that W1, and then after that W3. Which option is showing this? W2, 1, and 3. That would be option A. Right?